What's up? Welcome back to Get the Job Done. Today, I'm going to show you a couple of basic tips on a Lennox rooftop unit on these older styles. It's a good video to save for the future. We're going to go over the terminal strip and how to test the heating cycles and the cooling cycles. Now I'm going to start right here at the wiring diagram to make this simple for you. We have these numbers here, they coincide with the terminal strip behind me. We have these terminals here, coincide with your thermostat. Your Y1 goes to 18, W2 is 13, W1 is 2, G goes to 3, and your C terminal goes to 7, and your R terminal, which also goes to number 6. And here we are at the terminal strip. So over here, you got 2, 3, 6, so that's your W1, that's your G, your R, 7 is your common. You got your 12 and 13, Y2, W2, and your 18 terminal, that's Y1. We got these dip switches here. You want to use the mode switch. You're going to flip shift over and unit test over. Not recall. Alright, so we have unit test and shift over. It's going to bring up CO1, that's for your air conditioning test. I want to test your heat cycle, so I'm going to push the big black selector button a couple of times. Zoom out a smidge. Still in air conditioning. Heat. Alright, H stands for heat. Then you hold the button down. So the light lights up. System turns on. Got a really noisy induced draft motor. So I'm gonna write that up for the customer. So I want to make sure this heat starts up. Make sure the blower runs. Air conditioning control boxes have power. Oh, they're getting ready to start up. There it goes. Beautiful. You want to get out of this? Just flip the dip switches back over. And go back to your regular display. So S77 is an error code. And that error code is, I'm not going to tell you.